Please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering concepts.
In this video lecture, I will explain you how to create the staircases by using Rivet architectural software. So in my previous videos, I was covered how to design the elevation sections by using Rivet architectural software and some painting sections by using Rivet architectural software. But in this video, I will explain you how to make the models which is related to the staircases by using Rivet architectural software and how to attach them with the slab. Okay, so if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering topics. Let's start our video. So here I am selecting my Rivet architectural software, which is consisting of the two levels. One is related to the ground level GL and another level is A level, which is having height is approximately 10 feet 0 inches. So here I am selecting ground level option. So it will be consisting of the options in the Rivet architectural software as stairs. Okay, we can draw the staircases by component, or else we can draw the staircases by sketch also. So initially I will explain the concepts related to the components, then after that I will explain the concepts related to sketch by sketch option. So for that, firstly we have to select the ground level option in the floor plan, go to staircases. So it will be consisting of the stair by component option. You can select this. Okay, so it will be consisting of your staircases options assignment here like this, which is related to state staircases, full spiral staircase and center end spiral, and which is consisting of L shape and U shape. Now I will explain you one by one step. So this is the state staircase. Firstly we will select this option. Just I am starting from this particular location. Now we can see it will draw your state staircases here like this. So this is the process of drawing state staircases by using Rivet software. After this we have to click on the right mark option. Now we have to see this model in 3D view. Go to view option, select the 3D view option. Now we can see this is a 3D view for the particular staircase in realistic model. So it will be consisting of the state pattern only. Okay, which is having the height is approximately equal to 10 feet 0 inches from the ground level. So now we can see this is the distance which is approximately equal to 10 feet 0 inches. So this is the process of drawing the state staircases. In the same process I will explain you some other staircases also. Select the staircase, stair by component. It will be consisting of your full spiral step staircase. So you can select the center point of that particular spiral. So you can select this radius. Okay, now you can see this is the staircase which is related to spiral model. Okay, you can select the distance radius according to your consideration. For example, just I want to change these staircases to 3 feet 0 inches. But according to the height of the staircase, it will be consisting of the spiral model here like this. Okay, it is not the closed circle here. So click on the right mark option. Now I will show you this model in 3D rendering view option. Now we can click on the view option. So 3D rendering view option. Now we can see this is the spiral staircase. Most of the congested areas, it will be consisting of the spiral staircases here like this. Okay, in duplex building houses also it will be consisting of some spiral patterns here like this. Now again in the same process we will draw one more staircases here. So again in the same process I am selecting this curved staircase here like this. Okay, so it will be consisting of your pattern. So you can select the direction. Just I am selecting the direction, up direction here. Click on right mark option. So click on the view option, 3D view option. Now we can see this is the staircase which is related to curved shape pattern. Okay, so now we can see this is the pattern. So again in the same process we will select one more staircase, architectural browser, staircase, select staircase, L shape. Let us consider. Next I am attaching here. Now we can see this is the L type staircase. In the same process I am selecting U type of the staircase. So this is the U type of the staircase. You can select here. Okay, it will be consisting of the support, landing, run. Okay, so you can change the railing section of the staircase according to your considered sections of like glass section or tube size sections. You can change according to the consideration. Click on the view option here. Now we can click on the 3D view option. Now you can see this is the pattern. So you can change the pattern of this particular railing also. So you can select the railing. So it will be consisting of the handrail. You can change that pattern to glass pattern also. So now we can see this is the pattern which is related to glass type. Again in the same process, if you want, you can change another type to pipe model also. You can change so that it will change that to pattern to pipe model here. Okay, now we can see this is the pipe model. In the same process, you can change another one to rectangular pipe model. So now we can see this is the rectangular model which is comes under this spiral staircase. So this is the rectangular pipe model here. Okay. Again in the same process you can change the some other patterns also, depends upon your consideration. So it will be consisting of some patterns also there which is related to glass panel also there, which is you can change here, depends upon your consideration. You can change the pattern which is related to glass panel, or you can change that to pipe panel here like this. So this is the process of drawing the staircase by component. Now I will explain you how to draw the staircases by using sketch. This is the important, then components. So for that firstly we will select the ground level option. Okay. So you can select the architectural staircase by sketch option. Okay. So now I am selecting this particular location. Just I am drawing here, which is having 7 feet 0 inches like this. Again in the same process I am drawing from the location here like this. Let us consider. Click on the right mark option. Now you can see it will draw your pattern here like this. In this way you can draw the U type of the staircase. So now I will show you that. This is the U type of the staircase which is related to staircase here like this. Okay, most of the people buildings will be consisting of the staircase here like this. So in the similar process you can draw the n number of the staircase by using this sketch path method also. So here I am selecting this which is consisting of approximately, just I am taking 9 feet. Again from this point just I am drawing the staircase here like this, so that it will join the staircase which is related to this pattern. Okay, so we will see that staircase view option, 3D view option. Now we can see this is the pattern which is related to the staircase, which is having some dimensions here like this. Okay, so this is the process of drawing the staircase. Now I will explain you how to draw the staircase for the building model. Okay, so for that just we have to create the one wall sections. Go to add wall architectural browser. Just I am selecting 18 generic wall. Just I am drawing the wall which is related to this house here like this. Let us consider this is my walls. So we will select the wall, particular wall section. We will attach to some 10 feet 0 inches only. So here I am selecting 10 feet 0 inches is the vertical direction distance. So now we have to draw the slab section which is at a level of level 2. Okay, which is having the height is approximately equal to 10 feet 0 inches. Go to floor option here. Select the floor. Click on edit type option. So here I am selecting the slab section. Click on OK option. So edit type option which is related to 0 feet 5 inches approximately. Just I am taking here 0 feet 5 inches here. Click on OK. So click on OK option. Now we have to draw the slab. Just I am starting the slab here like this for this particular portion like this. Okay. So now we have to click on the right mark option. Click on view option, 3D view option. Now we can see it will see your wall as well as the slab section here like this. Now we have to attach the staircase in front of this house. Further go to ground level here. So it will be consisting of your pattern here like this. Go to architectural browser, staircases here, stair by sketch, or else you can select directly as a component also. Just I am starting the staircase here which is having the distance is approximately 9 feet 2 inches. Again in the same process I am starting the staircase here which is attached to here like this. Okay, so now we will adjust the distance. Just I am adjusting here like this. Again we will move to the front facing direction here like this. Okay, then after that we have to click on the right mark option. So we will see this staircase in 3D view. Now you can see this is the 3D view for the particular stair. Now we will change this pattern of this slab section. So go to ground level option, otherwise you can directly come to level 1. So just we have to edit this boundary. Why? Because it will not be consisting of the staircase like this. So we have to select this option. Just I am starting from this location. Let us consider. Again I am starting from this location. Again I am ending this location here. Again in the same process we have to start the point here. So we have to remove this all the sections. Okay, now we will attach to front facing direction here like this. Now we will make the closure loop. For that we have to attach this patterns like this, like this. So now we have to delete all unwanted sections. So click on delete option. Again in the same process we have to delete these two patterns. Click on the right mark option. Click on the view option, 3D view option. Now we can see it will be consisting of your stair pattern here like this. Okay, so if the second stair will be comes under this particular location. If you consider only the ground story building, the second pattern doesn't required here. Okay, so that's why just I am changing this pattern which is related to this staircase. Click on edit boundary option. So just I am deleting these two lines Click on delete option. So we will attach with one single line section. Just I'm selecting this pattern. Again I'm coming to this pattern. Again I'm closing here. Click on the right mark option. View option, 3D view option. Now we can see this is the complete pattern for the slab section. So this is the process of drawing the staircase by using Revit architectural software. So if you have any queries about this video, please try to text me your questions in the below comment box so that I will give you the answer for that question which is related to the drawing of the staircase. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.